blend it up. Hello, once again, my name is Beets, and we're back with another cool topic. We're actually going to make some beet smoothie. And the ingredients we're going to be needing with our beets is, of course, you need beets. You can use the canned beets or you can use fresh beets. And also, one of the ingredients you're going to be needing is pineapple. And this is really good to have. And also, you're going to be needing bananas. And after the bananas, you're also going to be needing some blueberry. It can be fresh or it can be frozen, however you guys want it. And then also you're going to be needing some soy milk. I would prefer the almond milk. You know, it's good for the body. So let's go ahead and we're going to start with our beet smoothie. So when we're going to start with our beets. But to know about more beets is that I like to use mostly the fresh ones because you can actually have two different vegetables in one. You can also save the plant part of it. Then you can also save this one for future recipes and all of that. But this one right here, you actually can bake it. You can eat it raw. You can eat it cooked or baked. So first of all, we're going to go ahead. We're going to cut off the stem. And you can also place this in a bag, grocery bag, any kind of bag, Ziploc bag, save it for later, and then you can cook it, use it for another time. Now, like I said, for the beets, if you're ever going to get fresh beets, make sure it still has the root and all this little leaf. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go ahead and shave off the skin. Okay, so right now we shaved off the beets. It's going to look like this. We're going to go ahead and cut half of it. And then we're going to go ahead and cut it into smaller pieces so it'll be easier for the blend to actually blend it all up. And go ahead and throw it in our blender. So that's half right there. And we're going to also go ahead and put in our banana. Half a cup of all of this. So you want to go ahead and dice it up. Come on. And we'll just do 1 cup of the blueberries. And we're going to actually use 1/2 a cup. Blend it up. Alright, now with this recipe, the benefits of it from the beets is mostly, how would you say it, it'll be high and it has a lot of fiber and also helps with your vessels. It's really good for that. And then for the pineapple, you know, you have your vitamin A and your vitamin C, which is great for the body as well. And then you do have your banana, has your vitamin C and has tons of fiber. As you can see, this smoothie has tons of fiber. And then, you know, you're going to go ahead and you can talk about our berries. This really has a lot of high antioxidants. Same with the beets. Beets has a lot of antioxidants too. So, blue and berry. Delicious.